We had said these offences would not go on the criminal record of the person. The Senate has changed that, but the offence of breaching an order under Section 26 is an offence created by Section 52, an offence to which the potential penalty is a fine of up to $1 million or a term of imprisonment of up to a year. This particular amendment is inconsistent with what we understood the agreed position to be. We're not comfortable with that. Service by electronic means deemed to have occurred the next business day after the document is sent at an email address. Point was made that email could be sent late at night, and the deeming should not apply unless it's sent prior to close of business on the preceding day. And an amendment was made to do that. That amendment has been reversed by the Senate. Madam Speaker, we have a difficulty with that. We don't like either of those two amendments. The bigger point that I had made last week, which was not supported by the majority in the Senate, which would have had the effect of ensuring that the orders made under Section 26 only last for up to 14 days unless they come to Parliament and are approved by both houses within that period. That is an important point and an important amendment which was not accepted in the Senate by the majority side. As it stands here, I think it is the Attorney General who has misunderstood the legal position, and I do not accept her explanation of it. And I think she's quite wrong, and we will not support it in its current form. Madam Speaker,
you have to
the concern I had was to do with the
totality.
orders made by the Prime Minister, which can create criminal offences without parliamentary approval. The way in which that has been achieved in the bill is by Section 52(1)(c), which says that a measure under an order made under Section 26, which is the orders made by the Prime Minister, is now a criminal offence. It is that one which should not create a criminal record on the offender. But from our point of view, the way it has been done by the Attorney General is defective, and we will not support it. Previously, under Section 52, a warning was given and the warning was not heeded. That amounted to an offence. This bill takes away the need for the warning. So if you breach the direction of the authorised person, that is an offence, whether a warning is given or not. It also makes the failure to comply with a measure made by the PM itself a separate criminal offence. That is what the paragraph C in 52(1) does. And I am saying that if that is a matter which comes to the point where a person is charged or ticketed, it should not go on their permanent criminal record.
Those in favour of the amendments here before us today? We have a divide.
Mr. Golding.